Hey everyone, Wolfino Wise Wolf back again. I played this game a little while. Like, you can go watch their video. It's not that long ago, but yeah. When I went off the video, when I turned off the video and started playing on my own time, I found this really weird glitch. And yes, I changed to my skin. But I found this really weird glitch, and I will show you a couple pictures of it right now, if I don't forget. But yeah, it was really weird. Alright, now hopefully I've shown you all the videos. Let's go catch yourself some food, and not forget to turn on the timer again, because we are all stupid heads here. Maybe I should change my name to Stupid Head, because apparently that's what I am. Rawr! Ah! Rawr! I guess I can't catch the ravens. Oh well. I can't catch you. I did up my stats a little too. So hopefully I can be faster whenever I howl. I can go faster when I run. Okay, let's go. Roar! See, I was able to catch up with this elk really fast. Wow, let's do this. Whoop! Okay, let's catch up to this. Whoa! Thing's fast and it's turning radius. Oh no! No! Come on, Blue! Go after it! Whoa! Okay, I guess we're going to kill the bear then. Ah! Hi, bear. Okay. Blue hasn't been in a fighting mood lately, apparently. Wow. Let's eat. Bon appetit. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Now, I just wanted to put a shout out there. Thank you to all you subscribers who have subscribed to my channel. I hit 20 subscribers today, and I decided that I'm no longer going to wait. I'm going to do that thing in YouTube so I can make my videos longer, like more of 20 minutes than just 10 minutes. So let's hope I can do that. I have to get permission from my mom, but hopefully my mom will allow me to do that. Okay, let's do this. Okay. Oh no! Blue, go! Go, Blue! Go! Okay, let's do this. Okay. Ah, stupid sheep! Get back here! Wow! Let's do this! A sheep will not slow down! Gosh! That sheep is fast! Okay, we got it. And we are leveled up. That was hard. Whew. Okay, what level are we now? Okay. Anything we can up? Oh, yep, we can that, and then grow speed. Okay. Ooh! Locate closest enemy. Display on nearby enemies on a multi-map. Easy spot enemies by their heat. Attack raises enemy speed, reduces enemy speed. So, I think I'm gonna go for, I want to do this. So it's up that skill points. Now I can see enemies better. That would be much easier to, that would be a lot helpful. Are you an enemy? Oh my gosh, I killed it. I killed a bird. Ah, I'm evil. I killed a tiny, helpless little birdie. Okay, let's do this. Now, where is our closest enemy? Oh, over there. Whoop. Okay. I like this ability to see enemies. 5 minutes. I bet you guys would love to see a 20-minute video of this. Unless you hate my channel. Then you probably wouldn't, but still. I'm going to try and put my videos up to 20 minutes if I can. I don't know if I can, but I'm gonna try. Because I will do anything for my viewers, even if it means dying. Well, I don't really want to die, but I would still do it for my viewers. Woo! Okay. Sorry if my voice sounds a little croaky. Wow. I'm doing these recordings before, like way before tomorrow. Because tomorrow I'm going to be really, really busy. And yeah, so I will have these videos up tomorrow though. I just got a little cold. Well, but let's do this anyway. I am so slow in walking pace. Ooh, what's this? Oh, that's so cool! My gosh, that's so cool. So my closest enemy is that way. Whoop. Oh my gosh, you can even hear smelly sounds. I don't want to go French fish, so let's find a different scent. That's so cool. Whoa, I heard a bear. Whoa, hi bear. You're a lower level than the other bear I got. Or wait, you're higher level. I'm going to step away from you. Wah, get away from me. Get away from me. Okay, I'm gonna attack you again. Come on, Blue, help me out here. You regret fighting with me, don't you? Ha 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 ha. Okay, Blue. Ready? Let's do this. Ha. Okay, let's see. Where's our closest enemy? Oh, that direction is our closest enemy. Okay, let's go for it. Okay, let's go. Whoop. Oh, rabbit. I can't chase you. You're too hard to get. You're too hard to get. Wow. I'm hoping to lengthen my videos because this is really fun and I really like doing it. So let's just hope for the best. I won't be busy tomorrow because I really like doing these videos for you guys, and I kind of like the response I get too from my videos. I don't know if it's weird or not, but I like watching myself. Is that weird? I don't know. It seems weird to me. That direction. Okay, let's go. Let's go. What? Okay. Okay, let's do this. You're a bat. Come on, Blue. Catch the bats. Ugh, bats are really hard to catch. Oh, got it in the video. Well, guys, I hope you had fun in this video. I will do some stuff off of this game and like level up myself, because I bet you guys are tired of just watching me level up. So I am going to go and I will level up off of this. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!